Okay, now for years, the Galaxy Watch Classic line has been the benchmark for smartwatches that blend timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. 2 years ago, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic set a higher bar. But now, we have the brand new, just released Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So the burning question is, does the new 8 Classic truly justify its existence as an upgrade? Is it revolutionary or just an iterative bump? And for those of you rocking the Watch 6 Classic, should you even consider making the leap? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have all the answers you need to make that crucial decision. Let's kick things off with the design. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic impressed us with its sleek stainless steel body and that beloved physical rotating bezel, a tactile dream for navigation. It came in two sizes, 43mm and 47mm, giving options for different wrist sizes. And of course with the Bluetooth and the LTE variants. Now, meet the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. It still boasts that iconic rotating bezel, which, let's be honest, is a huge win. But Samsung has introduced a fascinating new cushion design. It's got a light, squared-off, more robust look, taking cues from last year's Ultra model. This gives it a bolder presence on the wrist. It's also ever so slightly thinner at 10.6mm compared to the 6 Classic's 10.9mm. However, a big change and one that might ruffle some features is the new dynamic lug system for the bands. It's similar to Apple Watch's quick release, which is convenient, but it means your old 20mm standard bands won't fit anymore. Plus, the 8 Classic only comes in a single 46mm size, so while it's premium, the size options are limited. If you have a lean wrist, you do not have that 40 or 42mm option here. The only option you got is 46mm, and that's a bummer for some people out there. Next, the display. Both watches feature gorgeous Super AMOLED screens with sapphire crystal protection. The Watch 6 Classic had impressive brightness, hitting up to 2000 nits on its 47mm model, which had a spacious 1.5-inch display. And here is where it gets interesting with the Watch 8 Classic. While it takes a giant leap in brightness, now reaching an incredible 3000 nits, making it even more legible under direct sunlight, the display size itself is actually smaller at 1.34 inches. This is quite a curious decision, giving it 46mm case. So you get mind-blowing brightness, but a slightly more compact viewing area than the larger 6 Classic. Is that a trade-off you're willing to make for that extra pop? Let me know in the comment section. Now, power and performance are crucial for a smooth smartwatch experience. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic was powered by Exynos W930 chip, which was a solid performer for its time, paired with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage. But the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings the real horsepower. It packs the brand new, more efficient Exynos W1000 processor built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. This means snappier app launches, smoother multitasking, and overall improved responsiveness. And here is another major win. Storage has been quadrupled to a massive 64GB. That's enough space for all your applications, music, podcasts, and even offline maps without breaking a sweat. If you're a power user, this is a significant upgrade. Now let's talk about why most of us buy smartwatches. The health and fitness tracking. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic was already a powerhouse, offering heart rate, ECG, blood pressure monitoring, body composition analysis, skin temperature tracking during sleep, and comprehensive sleep insights. But the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic truly elevates the game here. Samsung has introduced some groundbreaking new features, the antioxidant index. Yes, your watch can now measure carotenoid levels in your skin by simply placing your thumb on a sensor, giving you insights into your antioxidant levels, something usually reserved for lab tests. The next feature is vascular load. This new metric tracks the strain on your heart during sleep, offering deeper insights into your cardiovascular health and how lifestyle choices might impact it. Then we have got new running coach, get personalized training plans and real-time coaching based on a quick 12 minutes assessment. And lastly, enhanced sleep guidance. Even more refined sleep tracking with bedtime guidance to help align with your circadian rhythm. And it still includes all the robust features from the 6 Classic. But these new additions are genuinely innovative and push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do for your health. Now let's talk a bit about the software, which is of course the soul of any device. Both watches run on Wear OS powered by Samsung, but the 8 Classic comes with the latest Wear OS 6 and One UI 8 watch. And the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is also eligible to get the One UI 8 watch, which is coming probably in the next couple of weeks. And it is also eligible to get 1 or 2 more years of Wear OS upgrades. So that's something to note here. Now the biggest headline here is the built-in Google Gemini AI. That is right, Gemini is now directly on your wrist, replacing Google Assistant for more complex tasks. And the same will also come to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, so nothing to worry about that. Now let's talk about the battery life, which is always a hot topic. The Watch 6 Classic 47mm offered about 425 mAh, giving you roughly 40 hours of use with always on display off. And now the Watch 8 Classic comes with a slightly larger battery, which is 445 mAh. Interestingly, Samsung is quoting similar battery life figures despite the bigger cell. This suggests the new, more powerful chip and the incredibly bright screen, along with all the new AI and health features, are consuming that extra juice. So don't expect a multi-day miracle here, but it should still comfortably get you through a full day, maybe a day and a half depending on your usage. And because it has got slightly smaller screen compared to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's larger version, you might still get a slightly better battery performance. And unfortunately, the charging speed remains the same on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, which is 10 watt, which is the same charging speed offered by the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. On this front, at least we should have had a bigger upgrade, should have got at least 15 watt wireless charging for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, which did not happen. So it's the same that you get on both the watches. And the connectivity also gets an upgrade with dual frequency GPS L1, L5 on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, promising more precise location tracking for your runs and outdoor activities. Finally, the elephant in the room, the price. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic was launched around $399 US, which is somewhere around 36,000 Indian rupees, and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is starting at about $499 US. And here in India, the Bluetooth version is quoted at 47,000 Indian rupees. But with the bank discounts, etc., it should come somewhere around 34 to 35,000 for the Bluetooth variant and somewhere around 37 to 38,000 after all the discounts for the LTE variants. But if you want to buy the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic today, it may be available at a discounted price if at all it is there in stock. Now, who is this Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for? If you crave the absolute latest in health innovation, if you demand the snappiest performance and double the storage, then the Watch 8 Classic is a compelling upgrade. Its brighter screen and more robust design might also appeal to you, even with the slightly smaller display and new band system. But if you're already happy with your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you're still rocking an excellent smartwatch. It has the rotating bezel, a great display, and comprehensive health tracking. The W930 chip is still perfectly capable, and 16 GB of storage is fine for most users. You'd be missing out on the cutting-edge AI and advanced new health metrics, but at a significant cost saving. So I do not suggest you to upgrade from Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to Galaxy Watch 8 Classic unless you badly need those new health-centric features, because those new features may not be coming to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. But if you're someone who is contemplating between these two watches, whether to buy Galaxy Watch 6 Classic or Watch 8 Classic, I would definitely suggest to go for Watch 8 Classic, because that is the latest with all the new health-centric features, brighter screen, double the storage, and another 4 years of software upgrade. If you do not have any constraint on the budget, definitely go for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. That's just my opinion. You can share your thoughts in the comment section below. Which watch are you rocking? Are you going to upgrade? Or are you a first time Galaxy Watch buyer, and which one are you considering? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some beautiful wallpapers, both free and premium, and we are also adding the live wallpapers very soon. Go ahead, download it. The link is in the description. Do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to hit the like button for this video if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.